Hey everyone, it's Paul. So a couple months ago I was turning this red oak bowl, kind of a live edge 14 or 15 inch bowl, and it was going pretty well. Got up to about 95% of the way through and off pops a big chunk of the bowl. And so I super glued it back in and finished kind of sanding it lightly. I didn't feel comfortable enough or confident enough in that repair to really use a gouge on it after that very much. I did a little bit, but just very lightly. And so I sanded it out as kind of as best I could. It's not the best bowl ever. It's not my proudest project, but I had a lot of time into it by that point, and I thought I would try and salvage it. So my brother wrote a song many years ago now about this really cool Japanese style of bowl repair and using gold to repair the bowls. And so I thought I would give that a try. I can't afford gold, and I don't think this bowl is worth real gold. But I got some gold mica powder, and I'm going to try mixing that into a blend of epoxy and see if I can make a repair that is strong enough and looks good to make this kind of celebrate that crack in the Japanese tradition. And so what I'm going to do is take the piece, both pieces, over to the sanding station, and I'm going to round over the edges. So the break is so clean and almost too perfect that you won't be able to see much of the gold. So what I'm going to do is just kind of open it up a little bit, make a little bit more room for a little bit more epoxy on both sides just by rounding it over. And so this is a little bit of an experiment, but open it up and then I'll put the epoxy in and see if I can get something that is worth salvaging.
I'm like one of those Japanese bowls that were made long ago. I have some cracks in me. They have been filled with gold. That's what they used back then. They had a bowl to mend. It did not hide the cracks. It made them shine instead. So now every old scar shows from every time I broke, and anyone's eyes can see I'm not what I used to be. But in a collector's mind, all of these jagged lines make me more beautiful and worth a much higher price. I'm like one of those Japanese bowls. I was made long ago. I have some cracks you can see how they shine of gold.
All right, well, I sanded out the whole bowl inside and out to 320 grit, put a couple coats of poly on it, and there it is. It turned out, I'll say, better than I expected, to be honest with you. This product was very easy to use, mixed in well with the quick set 5-minute epoxy. Made for a really easy fix. I would definitely do it again. I think one thing that I would probably do is differently is I might use a different color. The gold effect was kind of neat, but the contrast just isn't quite there with the oak in this case. Now if this was a piece of walnut, maybe cherry, I think the gold would show up a little bit better. But on this golden oak, the gold just doesn't pop that much. But it really looks cool. It's a gold tone. I wouldn't say it looks as, it looks like anyone would mistake it for actual gold, like on the Japanese bowls. But anyway, neat trick, saved the bowl. It's a very, very solid bond. Probably as solid as the rest of the bowl now at this point. So really a good save. So anyway, I'll give you a link to this stuff down below if you're interested in giving that a try. And if you do, let me know how it works out for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to the Tool Metrics channel for more DIY woodworking and tool related videos.